The Torpedopot is designed not to grow any particular plant. It's designed to grow every plant. You plug up a little hose in the back, you turn a knob in the front, and automatically the water goes through. Now what makes this so interesting is that we don't grow food. All right, it grows your food for you, it grows your plants for you, but we're not in the business of growing food. We take a different approach. This pot has been designed to grow fungus. You realize a lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants, and what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in and it goes to the plant's root system and the plant absorbs it up, but the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment, where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process. You simply throw your fertilizers in, it goes up into the plant, and it's like a stimulus to make the plants behave in a certain way. So we are in the process of growing fungus. So let's set that aside for 1 minute. So we have the plumbing that distributes the water, then you adjust the water to grow the fungus that feeds your plant.